Imagine standing atop the world, the cold wind of the Himalayas brushing against your face. The grandeur of the Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range, is a sight to behold. Snow-capped peaks piercing the sky, among them the formidable Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga, stand as silent sentinels of India's northern frontier. This majestic range serves as a formidable natural barrier and has a profound influence on India's climate, acting as a shield against the cold Arctic winds. As we descend from the icy heights, we find ourselves amidst the fertile plains of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. These lands are blessed by the mighty rivers Ganges and Brahmaputra, originating from the Himalayan glaciers. These rivers are not just water bodies. They are entwined with the very fabric of Indian civilization, nurturing life, culture, and spirituality for millennia. Their waters irrigate the fields, quench the thirst of millions, and support a rich tapestry of biodiversity. From these heights, our journey takes us to the verdant plains below, nourished by the life-giving waters of the Ganges and Brahmaputra. Now the air grows warmer, the landscape greener as we descend into the south. Here, the western and eastern Ghats form a verdant spine, acting as a climatic divide and fostering a rich diversity of life. These mountain ranges are more than just a stunning backdrop. They are the guardians of India's biodiversity. Their slopes and valleys cradle countless species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. The Ghats give way to the lush coastal plains, a fertile tapestry woven by the tireless hands of farmers. These plains are the breadbasket of the south, their loamy soil nurturing crops of rice, coconut, and spices. Along the coast, fishing villages dot the landscape, their nets filled with the bounties of the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. As we leave the lush Ghats and coastal plains, we prepare to enter a world of stark contrasts. Feel the heat as we step into the captivating expanse of the Thar Desert. Nestled in the western part of India, the Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, paints a picture of stark contrast to the lush greenery and towering mountains we've seen before. It's a unique ecosystem teeming with resilient flora and fauna that have adapted beautifully to the harsh conditions. The desert is not just about sand dunes and scorching sun, it's a vibrant canvas of culture and tradition. The local communities, with their colorful attire and soulful music, bring life to the arid landscape, proving that life thrives even in the harshest of environments. The Thar's geographical location plays a significant role in the overall climate of India, acting as a barrier for the monsoon winds, contributing to the semi-arid climate of the region. From the cold peaks of the Himalayas to the hot sands of Thar, we've traversed a land of incredible diversity. But it's not just about the landscapes, it's about the life they nurture. As we've journeyed from the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the fertile plains of the south, from the mighty Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers to the biodiversity-rich Ghats and the mesmerizing Thar Desert, we've seen how these geographical features are not just physical entities. They are the beating heart of India, nurturing diverse cultures, traditions, and livelihoods. Each mountain, river, plateau, and desert is a thread in the rich tapestry that is India, each contributing its unique color, texture, and pattern. They tell stories of resilience, of adaptation, of coexistence. They shape the weather, influence the flora and fauna, and, in turn, determine the way of life for the people who call this land home. In its mountains, rivers, plains, and deserts, India finds its rhythm, a symphony of landscapes that is as diverse as it is harmonious. This is the geography of India, a testament to the beauty of our world.